Mates, most websites today are optimized for a version of search that is already fading out. People are getting their answers directly from AI. No click, no visit, no chance for your content to even show up. And if your SEO strategy does not account for that, you are essentially invisible to a growing chunk of your audience. I am Daniel, and today we are looking at a tool that actually addresses both sides of that problem, the traditional side and the AI-driven one. It is called SEMrush One. This platform offers SEMrush's traditional SEO toolkit and their AI visibility under one solution. We are going to walk through how it works and connect it to a code editor live. The agent will pull real market data on its own and turn it into finished content. This video is sponsored by SEMrush. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's dive in. Folks, SEMrush One brings together the classic SEO toolkit and a newer feature called the AI Visibility Toolkit. You get access to both under one subscription. Here is the thing: traditional SEO used to be mostly about ranking for the right keywords, but search engines now increasingly skip the link list and just provide a direct answer. That means brands need to think beyond rankings. The real question becomes whether your content is being cited in those AI-generated responses at all. Friends, SEMrush One addresses both sides of that shift. You get keyword research, competitor analysis, and backlink tools you would expect from the platform. And on top of that, you now have visibility into how your brand appears inside AI-generated answers. The good news is everything lives in one place. No switching between tools or juggling separate subscriptions. Just one dashboard with a complete picture. For teams managing multiple projects, that alone saves a serious amount of time. Mates, now let us get into the actual workflow. We are working in Cursor, though the setup is identical if you prefer VS Code. This connection allows the AI to act as a full SEO director right inside your editor. The feature we are connecting is called the MCP integration, short for Model Context Protocol. So basically, it lets your AI agent pull live SEMrush data directly into your workspace. First, we need to connect our account to Cursor. Let us take a look at how that is done. We go into the MCP settings and authorize the connection with our account credentials. Once that is complete, the platform loads all available tools, and at this point we can see 13 tools enabled inside the editor. What is interesting here is what that means in practice. Your AI agent is no longer working with old data scraped from the internet. It now has direct access to the SEMrush Live database, real keywords, real backlink profiles, real market signals. That is a meaningful shift for anyone doing content strategy or technical audits. No more guessing based on stale information. From here on, every decision is backed by current data. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. So let us test this out. We are going to ask the agent to analyze the domain bbc.com. We wanted to use real SEMrush data on one of the biggest media outlets in the world. The goal is to study what makes them successful in AI-driven search and return a structured JSON report. We enter the prompt and let it run. Notice what is happening here. This is not a generic web search. The agent is running a technical audit at the entity and SEO architecture level. The result will be a detailed plan we can use to build our own high-performing project. It is pulling real data to understand which structural elements help large brands dominate in AI-generated answers. And look at the output. The agent generated a full technical report. We can see specific entities and data types that are critical for modern search algorithms. Based on those findings, it also produced a working HTML index. The report is a strategic roadmap you can act on right away. Also, folks, pay attention to the AI overview section. SEMrush surfaces a key insight here. To appear in AI-generated answers, a publisher needs clear identity signals. Our agent has already acted on that by adding a news media organization tag into the page structure. That is data translated directly into code. No manual steps required. Next, the tool highlights another factor: live content formats and clean URL structures. So we take that gap analysis and put it to work immediately. We ask the AI to write an opening article for our portal. It should match the structural patterns of the market leaders we just analyzed. The idea here is simple. We are not writing content and optimizing it later. We are designing it against real performance data from the start. Friends, we submit the prompt and watch how quickly theory turns into practice. The agent reviewed the report and produced an article already aligned with the patterns CNN and similar outlets use. And as you can see, the heading hierarchy is correct, the text is packed with the right entities, and the structure signals authority to search algorithms. And here is what is worth noting. We did not do any of that manually. No style guides, no SEO checklists, no switching between separate tools. The agent handled it because it had the right data to begin with. Mates, this is the real value of the SEMrush MCP integration. You are not manually checking hundreds of parameters or cross-referencing separate tools. You set the goal, the tool supplies the data, and the AI does the heavy lifting. The result is content built to the exact specifications that modern search intelligence rewards. And later on, as your strategy grows, you just keep feeding updated SEMrush data back into the agent. The workflow adapts with you. Whether you're working on a single page or a full editorial calendar, the process stays consistent. Alright guys, let's bring it home. SEMrush One ties together traditional SEO and AI visibility tracking in a way that reflects how search actually works today. The MCP integration goes a step further. It connects live market data directly to your development environment. So your team is always working from current information, not assumptions. For developers, content teams, and marketers who want to stop guessing, this workflow is worth taking seriously. Everything we covered today, from competitor analysis to finished content, flows from a single connection inside your code editor. Friends, in the age of AI, the advantage goes to whoever has the most current data and can put it to work fast. So explore the platform, run your own experiments, and see what it does for your specific workflow. Feel free to check out the links in the description below to get a 14-day free trial to SEMrush One. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.